We're basically seeing examples of exponentially accelerating change across literally all industries. And here are just some of the examples. So 3D printing has massively come down. A price drop of 100, so by a factor of 100 over the last 15 years or so. Industrial robots, the first good industrial robots are now available at $10K. Yeah? Drones are now sold in supermarkets to a retail audience, and so on and so forth. And if we just look at this, it took ChatGPT just 2 months to reach 100 million users. It took the radio 70 years to get to 50 million users. Mobile phone 16 years, ChatGPT just 2 months. So we are seeing that's just one more example of accelerating change.